Hi, my name is Lina Frio. I came from Hawaii all the way down here to do my teeth for Dr. Arpana Gupta and Dr. Jane Gupta. They're very nice people, and you know, I've been here for over 10 years, and you know, the work that they do here is, if I would say from 1 to 10, they have 100%. They're really nice people, and you know, they do the teeth here, and I can believe that for this top and this low, I have 8 tooth that they did it for 1 week. I came down here for Tuesday, they put it on a Wednesday. I grew up in Hawaii. I came down here just to meet them. Come on over. Thank you.